Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, we'll be talking about one of the hub from HackingHub.io. The hub's name is VulnLtd and it is built by Build Hack Secure. Okay, so let me just walk you through how what the flow will be to get all the 7 flags. Okay, as you can see, there is a scope which we already have. Okay, when we visited the scope, there will be a web page normal, and okay, and then we'll do some basic enumeration. We'll get to know how that there is a slag in the backend. So our main goal is to get the access of the slag. Okay, for getting the access of the slag, we have to go through a ticketing tool. Okay, uh, and get the admin access of the ticketing tool. This and After that we'll be able to get to the Slack channel. The Slack channel will give us some IP of the router, and from that router we'll be able to um, go to some internal, maybe some not internal, some URL, some admin page, and then in the last there will be a filter bypassing of. Okay, so basically this will be the flow. Let's just start solving the hub. Okay, so this is the scope. Let me just open my box suite quickly. Just put this in the scope. Again, let me start my intercept. Okay, so as you can see, there is a simple web page with nothing fancy in it. Here we can see a contact page. There's some information. Let's just use nothing fancy in the post request also. Okay, just forward it. So your Slack token has expired. From this we can get to a point that there is a Slack in the backend. Okay, so let's do the basic enumeration. Basic enumeration. Txt. This is comes in a basic enumeration. So we have the flag number one. Okay. Let me pull my notepad quickly and I'll just copy the just copy the flag. Okay. Control C. Yeah. So this is the flag number one. So here we can see there is a directory secret login. Let's just visit this directory. Okay, so this is content management system CMS. Let's just see the documentation. You can get some login information. Here you can see the username is guest and the password will be the day of the week the software was installed. So from this we can conclude that the username is guest and the password is either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday. We just have to log in uh, from Monday to Sunday. Let's start with Monday. Invalid password and combination. Let's go to Tuesday. So here we saw another get request with the token user ID and admin equal to false. So basically, so we can put it true. Okay, so let me just see what happen when we not do it. Okay, so we are in the home page. Uh, we have the Slag URL and the channel ID. Okay, and here we can see there is a drafted page. Okay, okay, guest user cannot edit pages. Since we are guests, we are not admin. Now what comes in is, let's refresh the page. Here you can see there is admin equal to false, and we are guest login. We are not admin. Okay, so what if we put here true and see? Now we can have this page. So let's just see what just happened. So basically, there is a cookie. Okay, cookie in the backend. Let me quickly. Yeah. So there is a token. Okay, and there is user ID and there is admin. So in some cases, what happens is this token contain admin equal to true or false. Okay, and some might there will be a base64 encoding of the token, which is giving the server that this is not authenticated user and this is authenticated user. Okay, in some cases, just like in ours, there is an admin just in the cookie. So, quick word of advice is never put admin or never put authorized token in base64 or any format which is easily decrypted by anyone. Okay, so yeah, so where were we? Where were we? So in this we can see there is a new email address. Okay, this will now send to an email address. This will create support ticket link with a support desktop app. Okay. So what we can do is mm, let's just try to log a ticket with this email address from our email. Okay, so it is of my account test test. Okay, we have sent, right. Mm, it should be a confirmation mail. In generally when we log a ticket there is a confirmation mail, right. Mm, yeah, so there is a confirmation mail and there is a flag number 3. Okay, there was a flag number 2 over here. I think was somehow not being present. Okay, so now we have flag number 3. It was this. We have flag number 3. Okay, wait, I think you're not able to see. Let me show you. Give me a minute. So this is the flag number 3. Okay, we now have 3 flags, and in this email what we have is another subdomain, that is support, right. You can just copy this. Okay, and, put it in your web page. Request flow. So here we have our message or a ticket which we have put test, right? You can verify that. So now you can update the support ticket anytime by emailing. Yeah. Okay. So what we have to do is we can try this email address now. Okay. Let's see if we can update a ticket or not. Let me pull my email ID back. Compose with this test number 2. This is test number 2. Let's just send it. Um, let's just refresh it. Mm, let me the intercept for a second, for a minute. Okay, so here we can see that there is another which we have just now created, test 2. Okay, so now what we can do is we have email address, internal email address, right? We can try to log into a Slack channel. Okay, we have this. Can try to log into Slack channel, because what happened is whatever email this email ID is receiving, we will be able to see it on this. So if there is a Slack code, authentication code, we'll be able to see. Okay, check email for a code. So just have to check this. Okay, so we don't have any account, right? So what we can do is, in this case, we can create an account with this email address. Okay, confirm your email address. Um, we have received a mail for confirmation. Confirm my email address. Um, let's just put test, and we are in the Slack channel. Okay, Slack in your browser. Mhm. Later, I see some direct message from admin. I think there isn't any message. Let's just see the channel. They're blurred out, right? Just go to inspect. I think control you will also. Okay. Let's just try from the last one. Okay. I want to see the message if we can find something. Because you don't have room. Okay, so this is the message. I think the router's broken. Can someone log in and fix it? This is the email IP for the router. Okay, so what we can do is on the intercept, put the link. Okay, my antivirus saying this is not safe. Let's just trust invalid. Very, yeah, I know what went wrong. This went to HTTP. Just want to HTTPS thing won't happen. Just intercept for a while. Set on. Okay. Let's go for HTTP. Mm, just a minute, okay. Mm, let's just there it should be HTTP. Yeah, I think this time it will work. I don't know what is happening with the Bob suite, but it is giving some errors. Okay, so there is a router. Okay, there's username and there's a password. What we can do is we can try to look for a default credential. Okay, let's just visit the first page. Okay, admin and micro business. So let's just try that. Maybe we might get lucky. Uh, then okay, so we have another flag. Okay, and this fourth. I think I missed some flags. Yeah. Okay, okay. There was a flag in a Slack channel also. Yeah. I think I just completed this now. That's why it is just messing around. There was another flag. Let's just not. There was a flag number 4. This is 5. There was another. There should be another flag in somewhere in between. Uh, okay. You know you will get it. It's not showing in my because just completed it and it might be making some problems. Okay, what you can do is okay, there's a router config. Let's just open that file. Okay, let me open it in my notepad. Okay, so I think this is base 64. Okay, just open a base 64 decoder. Click, mm, just find base 64 decode. Just over here. Okay, so there is another flag number 6. Okay, I think this flag number 4 you will get it from Slack channel. Okay, LACK I think, right? This is flag number 6. So we have a JSON. Just copy it. JSON beautifier. Okay, so we have some credential. Let's do intranet. This is a website, right? Others are firewall. I don't know if that will work or not. Let's just go to intranet because that looks little interesting. It is asking for so okay. We have the username internet. Then we have the password. You can just the password and we are in. Uh, just look around. Just try the password. Okay, so we cannot do that. Just see. the source code. Okay, there is a comment. It is saying make sure request URL ends in .html. It is ending in .html. Okay, please any character that are not following, A to Z small, A to Z capital, 0 to 9. Okay, so we cannot do special character, cannot put person 00 for bypassing. Um, Filter out index.php and admin.php. Okay, it is filtering out admin.php, but what we need is admin.php. So we can try something. Okay, this bypass actually I found it after struggling a lot. Okay, so what we can do is we can write admin admin.php and so what this will do is it will remove admin.php. Okay, since it is saying admin.php, filter out. Okay, once filtering out, it will not filter out again admin and this .php, and it is ending with home.html. So yeah, so we have flag number 7. Okay, we have all the flags. Okay, I think this hub was pretty good, considering how we have to do the filter bypass at the end, read the source code, get to know the requests which are coming in and coming out, put the admin equal to true to get the files, put the email addresses to get actual mail and get the support. Overall, this hub was pretty good. Again, it was somewhere between easy to moderate for me, uh, because the end we have to get that slag URL and that filter bypass. Okay, I think this is it for the today's video. And one word for the developer is never put the default credential and never put header token admin token in the header. So just take care of this admin token in the header and also take care of this default credential. Okay, that's it for the video. We'll meet again, and till then, happy hacking and yeah, bye.